Hey, I'm Steven and this is Solving the Money Problem. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Over the past few weeks, as more information has come to light, I've gone from feeling Tesla's chances of a Q2 profit were even to much better than even, and now I'm going on the record and saying I will be shocked if they do not post a Q2 profit and gain S&P 500 inclusion. Why this newfound confidence in predicting the future? Glad you asked. In a word, short shorts. Or is that two words? Anyway. To be honest, I didn't expect I'd be making a video about short shorts on this channel, but I mean, it's 2020, so yeah. Let's read about this wonderful new Tesla product. Celebrate summer with Tesla's short shorts. Run like the wind or entertain like Liberace with our red satin and gold trim design. Relax poolside or lounge indoors year-round with our limited edition Tesla short shorts, featuring our signature Tesla logo on front with sexy across the back. Enjoy exceptional comfort from the closing bell. That last line, referencing the closing bell of the stock market, is rather curious. And speaking of stocks, here comes the world's best segue. Ready? Hey guys, want to help out the channel and get up to 2 free stocks? Check out the links in the description to WeBull and Stake. Unless you don't like free stocks, that is. Let's get back to it. A brief history. Many of you will know, in 2018, the SEC fined Elon Musk $20 million for a tweet. The matter was quickly settled, but in Elon's own words,
I want to be clear, I do not respect the SEC. I do not respect them.
You're abiding by the settlement, aren't you?
Because I respect the justice system.
Since then, I believe, and yes, it is entirely possible I'm hallucinating, but stick with me, that Elon Musk has made it a side mission to troll the SEC and Tesla shorts while simultaneously giving clues to investors willing to read the tea leaves and follow the breadcrumbs. It's kind of like making a joke you know most of the room won't get. It's even funnier that way. Of course, I can't prove this, and I could be genuinely wrong, and that's the point. In my opinion, Elon is smart enough to know what he can and can't do, and is trolling in a vague enough way to be totally innocent, sir. Over the weekend, Tesla released short shorts on their merch store for the bargain price of $69.20, and they've already sold out. Not only does this illustrate the fanatical support for Tesla, fans will literally buy anything they sell, even short shorts. But the product and pricing could only have come from a meme lord. People still don't get this, but Elon Musk is a real human. This matters. There's a reason his Twitter following is approaching 40 million people. He's real. Most other CEOs are not. Now, this isn't to disparage CEOs the world over. I'm not hating. I'm just pointing out that a typical CEO will shapeshift into what they see as the generic CEO template, silencing some of their opinions and beliefs, avoiding certain topics of conversation, obscuring controversial thoughts, and most definitely not smoking weed with Joe Rogan, not wrecking analysts for asking boring, boneheaded questions, and not making jokes about 420 and 69. The point is, Elon Musk is as real as it gets, and he likes to have fun. We both have that in common. Short shorts? For those who don't know, Tesla's short shorts are a reference to short sellers of Tesla stock who basically are betting on the company failing and often will go to great lengths to tarnish Tesla's reputation, as doing so directly benefits their short position. Tesla shorts have been responsible for spreading fear, uncertainty, doubt, misinformation, blatant lies, false rumors, attacking and stalking Tesla fans and shareholders, and most notably, being completely dead fucking wrong about Tesla at every turn. Sorry, not sorry. Elon Musk and short sellers of Tesla stock have a long history. From day one, Musk has been doing his best to warn those shorting Tesla stock that they're in for a world of pain.
You believe they are 100% wrong?
You know, I think it's very unwise to be shorting Tesla. I mean, it's just very unwise. I think there's a tsunami of hurt coming for the short, those holding a short position.
Okay.
It's going to be very, very unpleasant. I advise people to exit while there is time.
Of course, these armchair Einsteins, at least those who've not bankrupted themselves being so wrong for so long, have ignored Elon's repeated warnings. Quarter after quarter, Tesla has surprised Wall Street, shocked shorts, and silenced critics. Yet still, some doubt. The truth is, at this stage, I feel anyone who has remained short Tesla up to the present moment is living in delusion. I mean, really. This is not an insult, just an observation. I cannot see how anyone whose reasoning faculties are functioning adequately and whose mind is anchored to reality can possibly doubt the company unless their head is so far up their own behind they can't see past their own shit. Enter Tesla short shorts. In my opinion, the timing of the release of Tesla's short shorts, which begins shipping around the same time as Tesla announces Q2 2020 results, is not a coincidence. It's a gigantic fuck you to those shorting Tesla stock and a huge clue to Tesla stock investors. If we read between the lines, it seems likely Tesla has released this merchandise knowing a Q2 profit is locked in. Should this be true, Tesla will immediately qualify for S&P 500 inclusion, which, as I've discussed, is a huge boon for the stock price. I believe much of the recent run in Tesla stock is the market realizing it's now inevitable that Tesla will soon make the S&P 500. What better way to celebrate the milestone than with hundreds or thousands of Tesla fans trolling short sellers by literally wearing Tesla short shorts? The best part about this is that the fanaticism is so strong, memeing so on point, and trolling so elite that I have no doubt there will be hundreds of photos of grown men, many of them both fat and hairy, in these Tesla short shorts, flooding social media in the lead up to, and especially in the wake of, Tesla's Q2 results. It's going to be horrible. I can't wait. Hopefully some of our Tesla sisters will join the party and help balance the booty equation, or I might have to avoid Twitter for a week and mute my DMs. But seriously though, we're in for a laugh. Elons Clues. This isn't the first time Elon has told the SEC to Elons C. For those who missed the reference, read the on-screen tweet and figure out what I'm talking about. If you still don't get it, I'll explain when you're older. As I've mentioned in the past, Elon has a habit of leaving clues. When Elon tweeted chairs are underappreciated, most thought he was high on Ambien. A few noticed that phonetically, it sounded like shares are underappreciated. Soon after, Tesla posted huge quarterly results and the stock went vertical. Was this a coincidence? Extraordinarily unlikely, but it could be, and that's the point. If Elon is to drop these clues, they must be veiled in obscurity. Elon can't say, hey guys, huge quarterly profit coming soon. The SEC would have his balls. But he can drop seemingly bizarre, obscure hints that could totally just be an innocent tweet about chairs. If this was a one-off thing, I'd consider it possible, but it's not. And I also know how Elon rolls. He's smarter than the SEC, for whom he has an intense disdain, and I believe it is a way for him to tell the SEC to go f*** themselves. It's the ultimate troll. They know what he's doing. He knows what he's doing, but nothing can be done about it. Elon C indeed. More recently, on Twitter, Elon liked an old clip of Ron Barron who was talking about what Elon told him about June 2020, where it all comes together. Once again, this could totally be a coincidence. I mean, Elon liked the tweet. Cool story, bro. But the timing seems a little too perfect. We know from recently leaked emails that Tesla was hoping for a good outcome in Q2, and subsequently to break even. Since then, we've seen Elon congratulate the Tesla team for their efforts. In my opinion, this good outcome means a quarterly profit, and the congratulations means it's a done deal. And the final clue is Elon's recent Twitter profile picture update. I know, to some, this too will seem like I'm grasping at straws, but stick with me. Elon's Twitter profile suddenly changed from a photo of Elon to a photo of SpaceX Falcon Heavy's 27 Merlin engines spewing forth a hellstorm of fire. Short burn of the century coming, or a coincidence? Am I crazy? For such a rational, logical person, I find it almost ridiculous that I'm seriously implying that the release of Tesla short shorts is a direct statement about their forthcoming Q2 results. And I may well be wrong, but I won't stay silent. In aggregate, these clues all point in the same direction. Tesla is going to post a Q2 profit, and those shorting Tesla stock are going to be decimated. No, I don't have direct evidence. Again, that's the point. Elon can't post material information about Tesla stock, financial results, etc. But he most certainly can skirt around this by simultaneously trolling, memeing, and hinting. And I believe this is exactly what's happened with Tesla's short shorts. If you'd like a laugh, stick around to the end and bask in the incredible wrongness of some of Tesla's most vocal critics. I'm not normally one to roast people, but when their drivel can directly cause people to lose money, it's game on. Either way, we'll know in a few weeks. And don't forget your free stocks with WeBull and Steak. I'm Stephen Mark Ryan, this is Solving the Money Problem, and I love you all.
From the bull, we go to the bear. Tim, you still short?
Sorry, so I think you were calling on me.
Have you been recommending a short the entire time?
Yeah, so we have been recommending a short the entire time. And
we are still basically maximum short Tesla. It's still one of my favorite positions.
Thanks so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are Tesla's short shorts a clue that a Q2 profit has been secured? Am I crazy? Did you buy short shorts? Will you DM me pics? That was a joke, guys. Please don't, unless you're applying to be my future wife. And of course, if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know. I read all your comments. P.S. If you're still watching, you're awesome. If you'd like early access, exclusive videos, regular Q&As, our private Discord server and more, consider supporting the channel at patreon.com/solvingthemoneyproblem so I can continue creating content for you guys. There's a link in the description, and you can now also become a member of the channel for some exclusive perks. To learn more, click the join button next to subscribe. Either way, the best form of support is you being here and watching, so thanks again.